Digital Obanje. Yes, this one na Angela Nwosu. And according to my time wey reach me, they say na the spiritualist wey they call your husband God. Before they be know am based on in a relationship, sex educational talks, which they give people advice sexually. But now the new one will come now. You not going to believe am. Now because of her spirituality, now she don't dey trend and the matter don't go everywhere. According to this woman, he say he dey call him husband God. Say him husband na God. He dey worship him husband. Him husband na him own religion. Say you know they do Christian, Muslim and all those things. So I don't bring her call on her side. For una we no know her, una never see her before. Una don't even know how the voice be like. Abeg, join me, make we watch Angela Nwosu.
My name na Angela Nwosu. Now maybe the one and only digital Obanje and the queen of positivity. As a spiritualist, where I be and the digital Obanje, yeah, I dey help people connect back to their roots. You know, this earth, this universe, we get many time how they use cook. If you read up on the spiritual components of time, your head go blow. A lot of small things where suppose help people solve their spiritual problem, but you get many misconceptions. You know, a lot of things. The person will tell you say if you make love with something really sweet for real life, if you do it for dream, you get spiritual husband or you get spiritual wife, and then people will come to find way to connect that thing, that their dream, to every bad thing where they happen to them. The same way they do it for dreams, still figure that come out, call me fake, call me scam, say I dey collect people destiny. They make me laugh because they contradict. So how are they use collect people destiny if I be fake? A person will know what they do if you actually collect destiny. For this life, as I do in life, I know that people will hate me. I know normal at all. It's supposed to be, you get people supposed to love you genuinely. You get people supposed to hate you deeply. Now for Christian family, they born me. So we use and grow because in this life, at that time where I small, I realize say for this country, they need to be Christian or be Muslim. If not, you no be anything. You understand? So now that anything, why now that middle, that place where you no be anything. Now that one I did. I don't belong to it. I don't believe in religion. I actually believe in human beings more than religion. I believe in treating people. I believe in you and I. Treating people the way I want them treat me. People they always misunderstand the blue eye they say them. They say I do use enchantment. But I will still announce and say, no be waiting my blue eye they do. My blue eye no go charm men. The only thing good, no fit they attached to negativity. Getting man will love you, na good thing. You know, I understand. Love supposed to be natural. If you add juju, if you add anything, if you wear something, like if now this blue eye you wear, you get you that man where the control. Now you no go last, you no go work. The thing the blue eye feel do for you, be say if it make you get good luck will go attract good man to you.
How I take meet my wife, I dey go normal Facebook as people they do their normal Facebook, they enjoy for Facebook. The first day I see somebody wey dey talk say sex do this, sex do that. I stop, I look am again, I say in this generation now somebody get this kind mind, get this kind God. I have to go deeper. I look am, I just say no be bad person be this. And they talk wetin people dey fear to talk. And the kind person why I already don dey believe say the kind person why I go marry for this life, na person wey go get to God. And funny enough, I can't go through Facebook, can't see somebody who do exactly like that, and just like that, it be like magnet. Now so it click.
Problem just too much for this world. Problem. I don't even know where I will even categorize this one. Many people don't lose them. Many people, they plenty, they don't lose them. When they see human beings for road, they no be human being. No be everybody be human being again. Your husband, now your God. What he create? At least maybe we can even start from the Almighty. He create the whole universe, the world, with nobody's assistance. Your brother, where they feed them. Sorry, your husband, where they feed them. You they call her your God. Parents. Now this kind of area, parents they fail woefully. And in case you don't know you be parents, you have a major role to play. Very serious one. You get major role to play. See, many are going astray. The Bible talk. Train your child in a way where he go grow, so that if he grow, he no go another side. If you teach him the right way, he no go left. They're very obvious. This one, they no root them inside the Christian home because according to Master Rich, they say she even come from Christian this thing. They no root them where. If not, you no go come outside. They can't tell us say your husband is your God. Abomination. Hey! The husband says, now know that one. Pride don't carry her. Your woman, they call you your God, her God. and you are okay. No, pride. If not, you would have condemned it, you would have corrected her that no, we have one God. But no, see small thing, people just see, if you know wise, you go just enter gutter, bam. You go just enter gutter. Dey plenty. Make una dey careful who una dey listen to. No be everybody wey call your phone screen or your TV screen dey make sense. They will look nice, wear nice clothes, will speak good English. They no mean say they dey make sense. Dey careful who you dey watch. Careful who you dey listen to. People even tell me say maybe na love. You know say when woman too love, na dey problem dey start. If woman too love, hey, omo, which kind mumu love go make you? Hey, omo, some people just dey craze naturally, but they no know. Have we seen na olden days wey we even dey do this thing? Olden days. Oh lo. Where before you know, thunder fit just strike, person just die, just like that. God is too patient. God is too patient. Leave am. People just dey misbehave. People dey do anything as they like. Anything wey they want, na wetin they do. Many confused people everywhere. Abeg, now why I bring this matter? Make una learn to dey careful. Mind who you dey watch and who you dey listen to. I don talk and still dey talk am again. Very important. My people, na the matter be this. I don't know why she dey call her husband in God, but I don't bring her so that I go know wetin happen and who we dey get right now. So abeg, share this video so that the whole world go know say people like this exist. I never hear digital obanje. Wetin be obanje? Make I no talk. Witch. Digital witch. Well done. Abeg, besides drop on a comment for that comment section, share this video, and why not subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.